Hello everyone, welcome to the project management class. My name is Bo Han and I will be your instructor for this class. In this lecture, I want to give a course introduction to everyone. Let's talk about the learning objectives, the major tasks, and the grading policies of this class in this lecture. I'm very excited about this class because we will be focusing on the project management knowledge learning. Project management is probably one of the most popular management approaches in practice, especially in the sun-rising industries like IT, medical research, pharmaceutical research, and so on. This management approach has several key features. For instance, it is very goal-oriented. We already know what we want to accomplish before we even take any action to implement a project. We need to take care of the sponsor's interest so that the sponsor can get the profit from a project. We need to develop an appropriate incentive program so that we can highly motivate the team members when we implement a project. All of these key features make project management stand out from the management approach population. In this class, we need to learn this new knowledge from three perspectives. First, we want to learn the critical factors that can strongly influence a project management success. To achieve this goal, we will look at the internal factors first. We will figure out what consists of our project management, the component steps in project management, such as time management, human resource management, financial assets management, and so on. Then we want to look at the external factors. For instance, how can we make the communications with the customers? How can we take care of the sponsor's interest, and so on. Finally, we want to integrate the internal factors with the external factors so that we can achieve the project management goal. This is the first learning objective of this class. The second objective is to learn the project life cycle. Usually, a project will experience the initial planning stage, the implementation stage. Finally, we need to close down a project. All of these stages consist of a project life cycle. In this class, we want to learn what actions we need to take in each stage so that we can accomplish the goal of a project. The third objective is to apply the theoretical frameworks you learned from this class into a project management process. I will give everyone a real-world data analysis assignment so that you can practice and get a sense of how project management frameworks can be used in practice. These are the learning objectives of this class. The textbook we'll be using is the official review material for the PMI Project Management Certificate exam. For its main purpose, the textbook only focuses on the theoretical frameworks. It doesn't have a lot of case studies. I will add some case studies into the online learning system. If I add a case study into the system, please take a look at it. It will give you a more practical view about project management. Next, let's talk about the major tasks of this semester. First, we will have two exams. For each exam, you will get a maximum of 20 points. The exam will be open online for a week. You can choose any time to take the exam during this 1 week period. Second, we have two opinion papers. Being able to summarize the success and failure experiences from prior projects is a very important skill for an experienced project manager. In this class, you will be given two cases to practice the project analysis skill. For each case, I want you to write an opinion paper. In the paper, I want you to analyze which part a manager did well, which part was not so successful. I want you to build your thought based on the theoretical frameworks learned from this class. The third major task is the class project. As I mentioned before, I will give you a data analysis project to do. You can get a maximum of 30 points from this project. After today's lecture, please refer to the full version of the syllabus. You can find the exam date, opinion paper, and project submission deadlines in the full version of the class syllabus. You can also find the instruction for the opinion paper and the class project in the online learning system. At the end of this semester, if your total points are between 90 and 100, you will get an A. If they are between 80 and 89, you will get a B, and so on and so forth. If you are interested in the bonus points, you can get a maximum of 3 bonus points in this class. When the bonus points activity is available, I will email everyone. Please note that I will only use the real points to calculate your final grade. I will not use curving or percentage in your final grade. If you have a question, please email me. I will reply you in 48 hours, but usually I will reply you much faster than this. If you have a question about the software, about some class projects, you get some error message when you do the class projects, please make a screenshot of the error message. When you email me, please attach the error screenshot to the email so that I can figure out the problem faster. All the exam dates, submission deadlines, project due dates are the Central Time in the United States. If you are a student with learning disabilities, please contact the Office of the Student Disability Resources and Services. I will work with the staff from this office and try my best to support your learning success. In this lecture, I give everyone an overview about this class. After this class, please make sure to read the full version of the class syllabus. This concludes this lecture. I will see everyone in the first lecture.